What's up guys, John from TechSpace, and firstly I want to thank each one of my subscribers for supporting my channel in the last 2 years. I finally reached 4,000 subscribers. Thank you so very much to each one of you. I really do appreciate it. Look at the Velodrome. For those of you who do not know what happens here we speed test RC cars, and look how beautiful it looks today. It is an absolutely stunning day. Look how beautiful our mountain looks there, Mount Taranaki. So I'm going to keep this short and sweet guys. You know what we're going to do here. We are going to test these two MJX vehicles. I have made a couple of very slight cosmetic changes to this Citroen from MJX, the 14303. As you can see, I've just replaced the ugly silver wheel nuts for black ones, which really makes a big difference. And I've also just put on very small black body clips, and I think it makes a huge difference to the vehicle. What do you guys think? Now with the MJX 16207, I had no place where I could put the camera FPV mount except for the front here. So I'm not too sure what type of footage I'm going to be able to supply you guys. This might be the first fully back view video that I'm going to show you. The only thing is, if I let it go to the front, you guys are not really going to see anything. But if I put the camera angle to the back, obviously you guys will see the back at least. But yeah, you guys are not going to see anything if I put it on the front. So these are going to be the batteries that we are going to be using today. We are first going to start it on a 2S45C discharge rate 1000 milliamp hour Gens Ace battery. There's two of them, and then we've got two 1000 milliamp hour 45C 3-cell Gens Ace batteries, and both of them are also fully charged. And then I've got a special one. I'm going to try this Giant Power 1300 milliamp hour 65C discharge rate battery just to see if there's going to be any performance difference between a 65C and a 45C 3-cell battery. Now, for those of you who don't know, this is the GPS that I use with all of my speed runs. It's the one from Milan, all the way from AliExpress, and I must say this is one absolutely epic, indestructible GPS. So I've just reset it, and I'm just waiting for the GPS to catch the satellites, and then we're going to put it on and we're going to give it a rip. First off is the 2S batteries. Now, which one of these two do you guys think is going to be the fastest? Now remember, the 14303 does have a gyro, so it might have a slight advantage around the track just with that extra handling support that it might have. But I don't think it's going to have any influence on the speed of the vehicle. Now, both of the vehicles' controllers will be set to 100% to make sure that we get the fastest speed. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I've got the 2S Gens Ace battery installed here. I've got the GPS set to 0. So let's see what we can get with the 2S battery. Okay, let's see if we can get a top speed now. There it goes. Alright guys, beautiful. It doesn't look crazy fast. Bring it around. Yeah, that looks quite slow. It's just a 2S lipo. Remember, we're still going to do a 3S test. Here it comes back. Oh yeah. Fantastic. Let's take it around. As you know, we do 2 laps just to make sure that we get the right top speed. Right, let's bring it around. Yeah. Okay, I'm not too sure what we're going to get here. Probably about maybe 20, 24, 25 miles per hour. Bring it back. Okay. Right, so let's see. What did we get? We got a 25.9 miles per hour, guys. 25.9 miles per hour. Okay, let's do a 3S test. All right, so the 3S battery is installed. The GPS is set to 0. Let's see what it gets. So the 3S is in. Let's see what we can get. Oh, yeah. It's definitely a lot faster. Yeah, now it's alive, guys. Absolutely epic. Much faster. Wow. Okay, second lap. Not too sure what we're gonna get. I'm hoping for 40 plus, to be honest. Let's see. Bring it back, second lap, end. So what do you guys reckon? It's an animal. Yeah, all right. Let's break it. Bring it back. Okay, so we have got a 39 miles per hour. So 39 miles per hour. Very, very interesting, guys, to see that. I'm quite impressed. I think my other MJX cars might have gone quicker than that. I'm not too sure. Alright, so now we're going to put in the other 3S battery. The bigger one with a bigger discharge rate to see, or the higher discharge rate to see whether it's going to be faster. Let's see. So guys, I can't believe how beautiful this battery fits in there. Look there. So the 65C discharge rate 3S battery is now installed. Let's see if we can get a faster speed on it. So we've got 39 to beat. Right, there it goes. It looks very similarly in speed. Right, let's bring it back. These MJX cars are absolutely epic. Okay, second lap. Whoa! Almost hit the camera. It's an absolutely stunning day. It's nice and hot. I think it's about 15 degrees Celsius, which is really nice. All right. Whoa. Okay, let's bring it back. So what do you guys reckon? Anything quicker than 39? Let's see. How is that even possible? 37.3 with the higher discharge rate battery. That's weird. So that's quite an interesting result. I'm not too sure why that is, but yeah, let's quickly do the FPV video. So we've got the 2S battery installed. So there you can see the gyro is working. Right guys, let's just see that the GPS is measuring speed. Yes. Right, let's go. Whoa. Whoa. Here we go. Beautiful. It's quite fast, I must say. Feels quite good. Whoa. Whoa. Massive crash. Wow. Can't believe it got stuck in that minimalist grass. Right, let's go again. Right. Let's take it around from here. Beautiful. Second lap. Such a quiet vehicle. Right. Okay, let's bring it back. I wonder how much it's going to get. Now, I think the other one got 25 point something on a 2S battery, so I'm not too sure what we're going to get here. Let's see. Now remember, this is not the stock battery. I just thought I'm not going to run it with the stock battery because it did come with a Lion, which is really not that impressive. Beautiful vehicle. Okay, let's run. It's a stunner. So, speed, what did it get? 27.9 miles per hour on 2S. All right, so 27.9 miles per hour. So that's already faster than the other MJX. 3S battery is installed. So the GPS is set to 0. Let's see if it's catching speed. Yes, it is 11 miles per hour. Let's see. It definitely feels like a different animal. Oh. Oh. It sounds so good. Wow. Oh. I didn't look where I was going there. I can't believe it sounds so good. That's absolutely epic. Jeez. I can't believe it's so quick. I'm not going to give anything away in terms of speed now. Right, let's see. Wow. It sounds epic. Oh, again. That's the only bad part of this vehicle. It's not like the others. When you go onto grass, it doesn't want to go anywhere. Oh, it's making me run. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's such an awesome car. Can't believe it sounds so good. Check it out, guys. Wow. Right, let's see. Let's go. Going to the grass again. Jeez. Oh, GPS is off. GPS is off. Wow, guys. What an absolute stunning vehicle. Wow. I am mightily impressed with it. Jeez. Okay, let's see. So what do you guys reckon? 40.6 miles per hour. 40.6, so it's slightly faster. 1.5 miles faster than the other MJX vehicle, but what an epic thing it is. Listen to the sound. Oh. Oh. Wow. Wait. Oh. What a vehicle. Oh. Oh. Jeez. Wait. All right, let's get the FPV footage. Alright guys, so that concludes the speedrun video of these brilliant MJX vehicles. I am highly impressed with the Citroen 14303. It is an absolute animal. It sounds so good when it runs. I'm highly impressed with it. I didn't bother filming the video with the other 3S battery just because we know that the 45C Genesis battery was faster than that graphene one from Giant Power, as we saw with the 16207. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm John from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, thank you for watching.